Forest certification begins at source in the woodland or estate where timber is being harvested and continues through the entire timber trading supply chain to the end user via a sales outlet. The main objective is to give the consumer the confidence that they are buying a responsibly harvested and sustainable forest product, whether that is a plank of wood, a picnic table or a shaving brush. Forest certification is about more than just where and which trees are cut down. Certification is also about the well-being of workers, communities, especially overseas, and the health and safety of all those involved in the supply chain. It is a system of inspecting and tracking timber and other forest products to make sure they've been harvested and supplied according to a strict set of guidelines. If you are working in a certified forest, by ticking the FSC or PEFC box on your timber advice or delivery note, or referencing a cert code, this notes that the forest you are lifting timber from has been through a certification process.
So FSC stands for Forestry Stewardship Council, and in the United Kingdom we work to the UKWAS standard, United Kingdom Woodland Assurance Standard, which is recognised by both FSC and PEFC. Well, in global supply chains, a consumer is demanding certified materials. So in the UK, all of the public forests and most of the private forests are actually FSC and PEFC certified at the moment, which gives a huge amount of certified resource to the sawmillers and the processors.
It's a way in of actually influencing best practice on the ground by using, a set framework that FSC provides. Also, you have an audit presence every couple of years. So again, it helps keep that sort of presence and it keeps standards higher generally in the industry, I'd say.
Hauliers and drivers can help by understanding the basics of FSC and PEFC certification, which is all around health and safety, knowing that they've been trained properly, and looking out for environmental and safety issues in the forest, such as good safe stacking, reporting any issues with roads and culverts, and looking after things such as first aid kits, fire extinguishers, and having a general understanding of the way the forest is being managed.
As you can see, we're fully stocked with FSC timber. This gives our customers the confidence to buy from us, knowing that the materials come from sustainable forest sources.
Principles of certified forest operations management are: 1. Compliance with laws. 2. Workers' rights and employment conditions. 3. Indigenous peoples' rights. 4. Community relations. 5. Benefits from the forest. 6. Environmental values and impact. 7. Management planning. 8. Monitoring and assessment. 9. High conservation values. 10. Implementation of management activities. All of these aforementioned attributes must be demonstrated before a forest can be comprehensively audited and then certified, which may be under FSC or PEFC accreditation bodies. Professional timber haulage plays a vital part in the supply chain from any certified forest, and haulage operators and drivers have a vital part to play in this. It is easy to see the depth and breadth of auditing and monitoring required to ensure certified status, and auditing can reach across to the timber haulier and operations. This can touch on everything from health and safety records, having operational adequate maps, knowing the FSC or PEFC status of the forest you're working in, following all operational rules and regulations, which will cover everything from wearing appropriate PPE to dealing with potential pollution incidents, and being considerate to the property. The loss of certified status for a forest owner is very unwelcome and can lead to huge restrictions in the ability to gain access to markets and sell harvested timber. By working closely with Forest Works managers, who in turn work with forest planners, accredited certification bodies and auditors, we can make sure products coming from the forest we work in have sound forest health and sustainability credentials.